the really interesting part is that I can explain some of my work to people in a very general way. When a lot of other areas of math, you would have to know a lot of different things about what these symbols mean, and you would have to have a very, very deep understanding of a lot of math before you could even understand the statement of some people's thesis problems. But in my area, I can easily expose people to it because a lot of my things I can explain with a drawing. So topology is exactly, as you stated, a generalization of sort of geometry. So in geometry, the geometry that we learn in high school and middle school, everything's very rigid. So a triangle and a square are different things because one has 4 sides, one has 3 sides. So in topology, we allow things to be very fluid and dynamic. Okay? So in topology, triangle and a square are going to be considered the same things. So I can sort of smooth everything out. We do focus somewhat on the shape, but parts of shape that are preserved under being able to sort of mush things around. A lot of the things that we do, we draw diagrams to make arguments about math. I like a lot of visual learning, so topology was really right up my alley. Just being able to draw diagrams instead of very wordy, long, thought-out proofs. It's a very intuitive way to do math. I really hope that a lot of people take an interest in topology. I think it's a really, really cool area, and I think the pictures make it accessible as a project to undergraduates. And also you can do it with even middle school age children. It's a very, very interesting area because I can draw these pictures. So I think topology is a great field for getting young people interested in mathematics. Because I think that they will see that math is not only solving for x, but I can also study these really cool diagrams and I can have these really cool ideas which are not just solving for x or finding this length of the side of the triangle. There's really a lot more interesting stuff going on in math. So I think topology would be a great way to sort of draw interest in mathematics for young children.